Hello everyone, Jim from Big Robot here again with another update for Sir You're Being Hunted. I've got a few different things to talk about in this video, the first of which is the Fens biome. This is one of our promised biomes. You can see a large, marshy, swampy, waterlogged environment. Very atmospheric. I think we've got a really good grasp on this one. It's very kind of, a lot of stalker stuff going on in there. And I'm really pleased with the different environmental details and stuff that we've come up with. And just the overall ambience of it is really strong. I think it's as strong as the mountain biome that we showed previously. Now this is going to go out next week to the closed test. That's about 900 people from the Kickstarter, the 900 people who paid for early access. They're currently hunting bugs and making suggestions and basically helping us get this environment and all the others and the rest of the game through to a state where we're really happy with it. Now you can see there's a whole bunch more environmental details going into the Fens, lots of stuff you haven't seen in the videos before, and certainly stuff that the testers haven't seen in the game before. So we're going to be really interested to see what they make of this and also how it plays. We think it plays quite a lot differently to the other two biomes, and partly because it's such flat country. It means that you can scout stuff off in the distance pretty readily, but also it's very difficult to avoid being spotted. And obviously you want to break line of sight when you're fleeing from robots, and that becomes harder when you've got such large open spaces like this. So there's a lot of being very cautious and using the landscape to your advantage, using the scenery to your advantage, and also avoiding these things, the sentry balloons. These are big trouble if you don't see them coming. You get in range, they're going to set off an alarm. Another sentry that we have in the works is the Scarecrow. More details on how he works a bit later. We're also doing a lot of work on the industrial biome, which will be in a future update. The roadmap for the game is starting to take shape as well, and that's going to include a whole bunch of updates that are going to come after a general alpha release. So we're going to make it available to anyone who pre-orders, and we're going to make it available to everyone who backed the Kickstarter, not just the higher tiers at that point. The date you need to get excited about is the 19th of August. That's what we're aiming for, and we seem on target. At that point we're going to be shipping this biome, the rural biome, and of course the mountain region, which you've seen in a previous video. From there we will go on and complete the game with customization updates, hunting gathering, the castle biome that we promised, and the rest of the NPCs, which we're enormously excited about. If you'd like to support us with a pre-order, then the address for that is bigrobot.com. Cheers!